Hey guys, Generic Tech Channel here. Today I'm talking about the, what is this again? HHKB, I think is what it's called. And look at how fucking crazy this shit is. You see this? It's got like blocks here. I don't even know what these do. They're not keys, so you know that happened. I don't know where the control key went. It's probably on the board somewhere, but these keycaps are blank, so I don't really know. I also don't know really anything about what this keyboard actually is. It's got some really nice rubber dome switches. I've heard they're pretty good. You know, I think they're called Topper, Topper, I believe is how they're pronounced. Anyways, this is the black one. It's actually the older model, so it's the Pro 1. And do you see how crazy this shit is, guys? Look at this. I haven't ever seen anything like this. Look, what am I supposed to do here? Where's the control key? I don't even know. This shit's crazy, guys. Anyways, like I said, like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. If this video reaches 5,000 likes, there's a possibility that I might release a video in the near future talking about other keyboards that are also crazy as shit. This thing is fucking crazy. Do you even know like how crazy this shit is? I've seen other keyboards like hold on guys. There's like other keyboards, you know, like this shit. I thought this was crazy, but you know, this is just missing keys. Like I don't even know what to say about this. It's so crazy, guys. It's so crazy. It's absolutely nuts. I can't even comprehend what this is. Like it doesn't have legends. Like what the fuck am I supposed to do? I don't get it. It's all blank. Holy fuck-a-moly, guys. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. I would type on this, but all of my fingers are broken. So, you know, it's useless. I'm not going to type on it. I also can't type on it because there are no legends. I'm a tech review channel, but, you know, I can't be fucked to learn typing. Like, come on, guys. What the who the fuck do you think I am here? Okay, anyways. This shit's crazy. Have I mentioned this is crazy? Because it's crazy. And this is like brand new crazy shit. Alright? It's absolutely crazy. Have you guys understand? It's crazy. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy. Yeah, that's really all I know about it. It's pretty crazy. Anyways, like and subscribe. Shout out to Def Jam. You already know who I am. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. Yeah.